2024 is upon us. I have 5 concept ideas that you could possibly wear for bringing in the new year. So when I think of New Year's, that's exactly what I think of, is glitter. So right here, I'm going to be using M278, and we're going to be using the stars here, this cascading kind of gradient star design. And we will be stamping it over, because who doesn't love sparkle, right? So this would be a perfect like party nail. The next one I wanted to do is something a little darker. And here I have some stickers that have like a laser hollow. So let's go ahead and add a few accents. Okay, so one sticker, let's get a small star now. That looks kind of bare, right? So if we're gonna go ahead and add a few, and I'm gonna be using the small stars with some gold and go in and fill in the gaps where needed. And I'm gonna be using Gold Brush today. I want it to come in. So this is my detail brush, but this is the best part. It comes with a dotting tool. And I wanna put some dots, make it look like a starry night. Really simple. So you're still using the deep French, and it's so cool. I get to show you basically multiple ways to use this plate. So what happens is when you push in a design that has a lot of polish like this, you can get flyaways, and here is how I'm gonna fix the rest of the design that I need to. I'm just gonna take some of this polish. And the next part is I'm gonna take this plate and I'm gonna take out just these 2 stars right here. And it's done. And there you go. Next, we're gonna come in and I'm gonna do another simple one. This is 260. It has some really just beautiful imagery, especially from, you know, the Roaring 20s. It is a really beautiful, sophisticated design done in seconds. Stamping one color, bam, you're ready to go. And I'm gonna bring this swirl plate, okay, which is 285. I see swirls being still very popular in the coming year. And I'm gonna make it kind of cascade down the middle. Now I'm gonna be using this beautiful silver, which is Gleam. Color in a section. I'm gonna leave one area bare, and I'm gonna put it in like the channel in between this design. And I love how this just adds some pizzazz to the nail. And there you go. So let me know in the comments, do you guys see yourselves using any of these concepts for the season, for New Year's, welcoming the new year with something that's a little sparkly, a little fun, and a little different?